You should have seen the checks again. I was running there and he was actually diving at me and I was just like, oh, he just kept biting the back of my jeans. That was going mental a little bit.